Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, my name's Steve.
I'm Eliana.
And we're currently traveling through the Philippines. We're gonna be traveling together through this beautiful country for about 2 months. Right now, we are in Coron, which is on the island of Palawan. And what are we doing today?
We're taking a private boat ferry with all of our friends.
Yeah! So as you can see, we got our adventure hats on, so it's a nice adventure day. We're gonna go get a private boat. First, we're gonna get some food, and then go to some beautiful places. Let's go check it out. Alright, we made it on the boat! So, real quick, we're gonna go around, say your name and where you're from, alright?
Hi, I'm Sarah, I'm from Austria.
I'm Josh and also from Austria.
I'm Eliana from England.
Hi, I'm Kathy from Austria.
I'm Sophia from Germany.
Dan from England. Mitch from New Zealand.
And I'm Steve from the USA! You guys excited?
Woo!
Yeah! Alright, we made it to our first stop. What's this place called?
KAYANGAN Lake.
KAYANGAN Lake.
Yeah, we're going to the viewpoint.
Yeah, first we're gonna hike, and then we're gonna swim. Let's do it.
Just like your mum.
About to jump in this beautiful lake, switching over to the GoPro now. Woo! Place is beautiful, beautiful. Alright, we're back on the boat, going to our next stop, which is Twin Lagoon? Twin Lagoon. Twin Lagoon, see you there. So we got a little private beach to hang out for lunch, and this is beautiful. There was another beach over there called, what is it? Banal, and that's where all the tour groups go. But since we got a private boat, we went to the private beach, and there is nobody here. Oh, welcome to Buakalan Beach. Check this out. We even get a little private table for lunch. So these are the veggies we bought at the market earlier. And the guys on the ship cooked it up and even made a nice little flour with the tomatoes.
Tomato or tomato?
Tomato. Potato.
Paradise.
Tomato, tomato, okra, okrado. What is that?
Eggplant salad.
Eggplant salad. Whoa! They know how to cook. That lunch was delicious. Now going for a little dip, cooling off. Check this out. From bananas to oranges. All right, now we're at a shipwreck, a Chinese vessel that sunk in the 1950s. We're gonna go dive down and explore it. That was cool, but honestly you couldn't really see much. Just the point of the tip. The point of the tip? Just the point of the ship. So we're getting back on the boat, going to our next destination, and our final destination. For our final stop, we are at
Luluyan.
what is it?
Luluyan Lake.
Luluyan Lake.
Which is the native name, but we refer to it as Barracuda Lake.
Because?
That's the native dialect. That's the real name of the place.
But why do they call it Barracuda Lake?
Because before got the barracuda fish.
Oh, yeah.
But now,
Okay.
Maybe they'll come back. Let's go jump in. This is the freshwater lake. It's nice. Kind of warm. What? It's your feet? This is a crazy view. This is amazing. Whoa. Idea if you ever have a life jacket, put your legs through the armholes and wear it like a diaper. Alright, we made it back to Coron town, had an excellent day. And now, if you're interested in doing something like we just did, if you're planning on coming to Coron, I'll give you some information about the tour we just took. So the company that we paid to do all that for us today is called KAYANGAN Tourist Boat Association. Now we found that in town there are a bunch of tourist agencies that organize tours for you, and you just pay one price and they bring you to a set list of destinations. So it's an organized tour. But what we did with them is we just paid them for a boat, and they brought us to wherever we wanted. It depends on how many people you have. If you have between 3 to 8 people, it's 3,250 pesos. We had to pay the entrance fees to each of the places we went to, like all those lakes and stuff like that, the lagoons. And we also went to the market, like you saw earlier in the day, and we picked out our own food, so we decided what we wanted to eat, and they cooked all that for us. But the difference between doing that and getting like the other organized tour group is, one, we had a private boat, so it was only us and our friends, and two, we picked the destinations we wanted to go to. So we didn't just go on an organized tour where all of the tourists go. Even where we ate lunch was a private island. It was really cool. We had a great time. I'd recommend doing that if you come here and have an interest of doing a little adventure day. But for right now, we're gonna head back to our room, maybe get some food. I'm a little hungry, but this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed adventuring with us. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.